Thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair. My name is Guerline Jozef. I am the Executive Director and co-founder of the Haitian Guerline. I'm also the co-founder of the Cameroon Advocacy Network and the only Black Immigrants Bail Fund. Because when Haitians fight, when Haiti fight, we fight for everyone. Yesterday, the U.S. government asserted here in this forum that it is committed to promoting and protecting the human rights of people of African descent, and that it seeks to be a positive member of the global community, and that it will lead by the power of its example. But it was saying, as it was saying that, the U.S. government resumed deportations to flight to Haiti yesterday. Yesterday, the United States sent 74 Haitians back to Haiti. Today, we are in disbelief of the level of hatred and humanity and the blatant violence by the U.S. government is perpetrating on Haiti through these deportation flights and by sending people to their potential death. Just last month, Secretary of State Antony Blinken said that the crisis in Haiti has created an unattainable situation for the people of Haiti. Yet yesterday, he and his colleagues sent a deportation flight to Haiti when there is no safety to receive them. Furthermore, in the absence of a current functional government in Haiti, it is not clear who is even agreeing to receive these deportations. Why is the U.S. bringing more chaos and cruelty to a country already facing multiple emergencies? What commitment is this to human rights of people of African descent? What example is this? How is he being a positive member of the global community? This is not only morally wrong and in violation of both U.S. and international law, it is simply a barbaric foreign policy. A foreign policy that is partly in the cause of what we are witnessing and suffering in Haiti currently. We decry the United States and all other countries' continuous violence and crime against Haitians, migrant by deportation, and we thank you for allowing us to represent Haiti in this way.